Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we have a new Dior Beauty unboxing, and this is always exciting when we do Dior unboxing together. So we are going to do this today, and before that I want to show you my new cardigan. It's from Aloe. It's their new summer collection and I'm in love. It's beautiful. So I'm actually wearing two different pieces. The top one is a cardigan and the bottom one inside I'm wearing their tank. This is called their sweater sunlit tank and also sweater sunlit cardigan, and the color is called Romance Red. How beautiful the name is, and also how pretty the color is. In the picture I thought it is going to be a little more deeper, which actually sold me, but also this color is beautiful. And at the back you see it's written Aloe here, which is cute, and I would say this is their summer cardigan, and it's just a perfect summer cardigan because it is so lightweight and so comfortable. I'm just so happy. And there are other colors like blue and black, I think white as well, and I'm feeling like I need to grab maybe blue and black as well because they are so good. And if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I'm all about long sleeves, so I just love long sleeve cardigan, but a lot of them are a little thicker for summer, but this is just perfect. Yeah, I feel cooler, it's airy, I love it, and also it looks beautiful. And these are actually two separate pieces, so you can either buy only the cardigan or you can also only buy the tank. It's up to you, but I just bought two together because they're pretty, you know, thin and see-through, so wearing them together make more sense and looks more better, more put together. So that's a recommendation. If you buy them, you can go with both, or if you buy any other color like black or navy, you can wear any other tank if you want to. That also works. Anyways, now we are going back to our Dior Beauty unboxing, and this purchase was made quite a couple of weeks back. I always wait to unbox with you guys, so I took time and now we're going to do it together. So let's do this. Oh, I love this ribbon. It's so pretty, you see? Well, most exciting part comes now. Wow. So this is one of their skincare that I really wanted just because how the set came together. Looks so beautiful. As you can see, this is their Dior Capture, and so at the back you can see what we have here. So we have this is their lotion, 50 ml of lotion and a 10 ml of serum, and then a cream, which I believe a day cream, yes, and that is also 50 ml. And you get a beautiful Dior pouch. I'm all about Dior pouches. I just go crazy with Dior pouches. When I see something new, I have to have it in my collection. So we did another damage, right? Ooh, so everything comes in the bag, and look, this is so beautiful. Wow, it's even more beautiful than I thought. Look, it's written Dior, and it's so soft. It's like a towel. It's so soft. I think it's terry kind of material. Just so nice. The only thing, when I get white bags, I just worry about they get stains, especially if these are makeup bags. A lot of the time they get stains from the makeup, but this is the skincare, so it's more safe. So inside of it, ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. So here you go. This is the lotion. This is a face lotion. Then we have this serum. I never used any Dior serum before. Like I have used like a little one-time use samples. I loved it, but I never had a full size. So excited. And this is the Dior moisturizer. So I always buy Dior makeup and I love so much, but I never really tried any Dior face cream. So this is the first time, and the packaging is absolutely stunning. Wow, it's sealed here. Oh, we need to open this. How pretty. Okay, we'll see later. And then we have the lotion, how it is. Oh, is it not like, okay, so you have to open the lotion and use it directly. I wish there was a pump or anything, or you just pour it. Ooh. Well, it's not, it's like a thick lotion. It's not, it's kind of the consistency, even though it's clear, but it is on the thicker side. It's like, not like watery. It smells so refreshing. So this is the lotion. I'm just putting on my hand to show you. So this is the lotion. Feels absolutely hydrating. Wow. And smells incredibly beautiful. Such a mild smell, but oh, just love it so much. Oh, this is so pretty. I wish it came in a pump or any kind of like I wish it was in a pump. It always helps you to control the product. It's 50 ml, but there's no pump. But yeah, anyways, we can't do anything about it. And then we have this serum. This serum has a pump. I love that. This is what I was talking to you guys. There's a CD logo on the top. Yeah, so this kind of pump actually helps so much to control your product. And yeah, it's a first. Ooh, look at the serum. Wow. So it's totally opposite, because usually we see the lotion this kind of consistency and the serum is clear, but here you see the opposite. The serum is more like a more thicker version, and it has a white, cloudy white color, whereas the lotion was more looking like a serum, but they are like light but not watery. It's so refreshing. Can't wait to start using them on my face. Wow, feels absolutely beautiful. Okay, so for the moisturizer, I can see at the bottom, from the opening day you can use for 12 months. So I'm not going to open this right now, just because I am using some other skincare right now and it will take some time to finish them, so I'll do it later. Because currently I'm using some other skincare, so I will add these a little later. So I'm not going to open it right now for the review. You have to wait. I will definitely come back and give you a detailed review of the moisturizer sometime later. But I'm totally obsessed with the lotion and the serum, and it smells incredibly beautiful. With this will be coming later, but also we have some other stuff here. So I have 2 more items to unbox. Let's see what we have. So this Dior pouch. Wow, so there were samples. So, oh wow, there's so many samples. So we got all these perfumes. I'm so happy. So this is the Miss Dior Eau de Toilette. This is that. And then we have a J'adore Intense, which I love so much. I had this many years back. I finished the whole jar, and now I have another J'adore Intense perfume. And these bottles are so cute. I have a couple of them. I have collected a couple of these little ones. Every time I see that Dior is giving away this, I have to make a purchase to just collect it. I'm a collector for these small bottles. They're so cute. And this is actually a 5 ml bottle, and how cute it looks. So cute. Just see closely how beautiful. I actually love this smaller bottle even more than the big ones, because they look extremely cute. And then we have something here. Before we open this, I'd like to request you to follow my Instagram and keep an eye, because I update my day-to-day life, everything there. So if you follow me, you will know all the updates. So if you follow me there, you will know all the updates, and you will love that. whenever I'm purchasing something new or whatever I'm doing, I instantly update there. So to keep yourself updated about all these gifts and everything, follow me on my Instagram. I will let you know what code we are using whenever we're placing an order, and also all other events around the city. So just look at this. This is so cute. Wow. This is a key charm, and is there anything in? Oh, so this is the case, and I can totally carry my little J'adore perfume in here, or maybe a lipstick, or I don't know, like anything. A lip gloss, a lipstick, or your perfume you carry here, and you just add it to your bag. Your favorite Dior bag, right? It is so cute. Wow. You see, there's the little details here. It's little Dior there, and also this little, you know, chain, and it's J'adore here. It's just so stunning. It's beautiful. If you miss this, it's okay. Every year, every occasion, every season, they bring back some of their most popular gifts. So I'm hopeful that you're going to maybe see this in the future again. So keep an eye on the Dior website, subscribe with them. They will notify you when there is an update, and if you follow my Instagram, you are going to know about this, okay? And check my stories. I'll put all the details down below in the description box, my Instagram, TikTok, and everything, so you can follow me there. So guys, that was everything for my Dior unboxing today. Hope you really enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video.